to go in with the colour Expensive from my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. I'm going to use this eyeliner. What do you call this? Eyeliner. I forgot to put a bobble on the end of the hat. How can you forget to put a bobble on the end of the hat? Happy 1st of December! Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. We have this little Grinch character here on the top of my left eye, and on this one we just have a little Santa's hat. If you'd like to see how I got from this to this, then just keep watching. So because this look is mainly on the eyes, I'm going to speed through my base really quickly and I'll be right back. Welcome back. We're going to start on the eyes now. I'm going to go in with my Lorac 120 Summer Eyeshadow Tone, and I'm going to use this green here. I'm just going to pack that on the brush and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm just going to repeat that until I've got the pigment that I want. Okay, so now that we have our crease colour, I'm going to go in with a darker green on the eyelid. The one that I'm going to go in with is this one from my Look eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to pop that on with my finger to get the most pigment possible. I'm just going to pack it on my finger and then pack it onto my eyelid. Now, because there was a little bit of fallout, I'm going to go in with my big fluffy brush and just swipe that away. So I'm going to go back in with that first green shade from the Look palette, and I'm just going to blend that together. To give that a little more sparkle, I'm going to go in with the shade Expensive from my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and I'm just going to pop that on the eyelid. For the bottom of my eye, I'm going to go back into that Look palette, and I'm going to go in with this bright red down here, and I'm going to pop that underneath my eye. I'm going to go in with the colour Fetish from my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and I'm just going to smoke out that under eye with this shade. Now that we're looking a little bit crazy, I'm going to repeat the same on the other eye, but I'm going to invert the colours. So on the top of my eye, I'm going to be using the red, and on the bottom, I'm going to be using those green shades. With the colour Fetish from the Jeffree Star palette, I'm just going to put this on my finger and pack it onto my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out using that red shade from the Look palette. I'm now going to go in with those green shades on the bottom of my eye. Once I've put the lighter green down, I'm then going to go in with the darker green that we used on the lid here, just to deepen the under eye. So now that we are looking extra crazy, I'm going to pop on some eyeliner and eyelashes, and I'll be right back. So now that we are looking a little bit less crazy, this is the fun part. We are going to add a little Grinch here and a Santa hat here. To start off with our little friend the Grinch, I'm going to get all my colours together. To use for the colour of the Grinch's face, I'm going to be using a mixture of two Jeffree Star mini liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Equality, and this is in the shade Queen Bee, and I'm going to mix them together to create a light green. I'm going to use the tip of this eyeliner. It's a really old eyeliner that had dried out, and I've basically just cleaned it, so now that it's clear, I'm just going to mix the colours together to create the light green of the Grinch's face. Then with my normal eyeliner, I'm just going to put a black outline around that. Again with the eyeliner, I'm going to make the outline of the Christmas hat on our little Grinch character. So now that we have the outline, I'm going to fill in the Christmas hat using that same red shade from the Lorac palette that I used in my crease. And I'm just going to put that on this really tiny detailing brush and fill in the red of the hat. Next, to fill in the white of the hat, I'm going to be using China White from my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. And I'm going to go in with another small detailing brush just to fill that in. Now that we have a bubble on the end of our hat, we're going to move on to the Grinch's eyes. And to outline them, I'm going to again use my eyeliner. If you're wondering what eyeliner I'm using, I'm pretty sure this is just one from Poundland. So, yeah. To fill in the white of the eyes, I'm going to go back in with China White and just really pack that on there to get it as white as possible. So now that we have it mostly white, I'm going to add in the pupils with that eyeliner again. Now we're going to move on to the other eye. And I think for the other eye we're just going to repeat this, but without the Grinch character. We're just going to put a little hat on this side. So first I'm going to go back in with the eyeliner and just outline the hat that I want to do. And don't forget the little bobble this time. Once that's dry, I'm going to go back in with that red shade from the Lorac palette and just fill in the red of the Santa hat. And then going back in with China White from the Jeffree Beauty Killer palette on this little tiny brush again. So now that we have that all finished, I'm going to lock it in place using my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. I'm just going to add some highlight to the inner corner of my eye and a bright red lip, and I'll be right back. So my hair is still a little bit wet, but this is the final makeup look. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and make sure to subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.